In this video, I will show you how to get shoes on Nike app. First, open the app and browse around until you find a pair you like. Once you've got your eye on something, take a second to check out the photos and details. Make sure it's really what you want. Then, choose your size. Tap Add to Bag and head over to your bag at the bottom right of the screen. Here you can adjust the quantity if you're getting more than one pair. Once everything looks good, tap Check Out. Now, just fill in your email, name, shipping address, and phone number. Also add your payment details, and when you're ready, hit Place Order. And that's how to get shoes on Nike app.